Anyone want some free bread? No one? Man, I really thought Pipsqueak here would help with my marketing. Well, today I'm going to be teaching you guys about graphing a line. Remember last week when we learned about the Cartesian Coordinate system? Let's do a little flashback. We are talking about a guy named René Descartes. Well, we're actually going to be learning about that for the next several episodes, just different parts of it. And today, we're going to be learning about graphing a line on the Cartesian Coordinates chart. Now, you may think we're just going to go out back to the table and do it on a paper, but no, our editor got a slight budget increase, so now he can do it digitally. Check this out. We can use the Cartesian Coordinates chart to show algebra problems. Let's use a word problem to demonstrate this. At my bakery, I had 2 loaves of bread in stock. Now I can make 3 loaves of bread every hour. Now we can fill in these blanks and then plot the points on the chart. So at 0 hours, I already had 2 loaves of bread. Now, since I can make 3 loaves of bread per hour, what we need to do is every hour that I add 3 loaves. So at 1 hour, we would have 5 loaves. At 2 hours, we would have 8 loaves. And at 3 hours, we would have 11 loaves. Now, let's plot this on the chart. We can do this if we think of the x-axis to represent the hours and the y-axis to represent the loaves. So, if the x-axis represents the number of hours, we would just do to plot the first 2 numbers on here. We would start at 0 on the x-axis and count up 2. And that would be our point. But that's not quite right. Editor, I think we need a loaf of bread. There we go. That's a lot better. Now, if we wanted to do the next point, we would count over 1 on the x-axis and up 5 on the y-axis. And put another loaf of bread right there. Now, if we had a larger chart, we could keep plotting these. But really, this is all we need. If we connect these points, we can create a line. This line represents the rate that the loaves are increasing. We can also write an algebra equation to represent this line. The equation would look like this. The number of loaves would equal 3 loaves per hour that we had spent plus 2 loaves, because remember we started with 2 loaves. Want bread? Want bread? Whoa! Someone actually gave me money for this bread. Well, Pipsqueak, you did a good job marketing.